Hello everyone, welcome to ASM. Today is the sale day. We have 5 items. First is this lovely couple for you. This mini pouch, it's so cute. Having a mini on it. These 2 items are the first 2 items. Next is this gorgeous mug with a building on it, with a car on it. You can see this is the mug. It's up is a mirror on it. You can see it. Next is this gorgeous, a sequence bag. That is so sweet. And the last item is the biggest item. That is this giant teddy bear. It's so fair teddy bear. Purchase this teddy bear now. This teddy is of 250, only 250. This gorgeous bag is only and only 150 rupees. This mug, which you will get only and only 200 in outside, but now we are giving you it only and only of 100 rupees. The mug. The mini pouch is only and only 100. And the lovely couple are also of 100 rupees. The giant gorgeous teddy bear, 250. Sequence gorgeous bag, 150. Sweet mug, so low rate, and that is 100. It has a opening cap with it, which has a mirror. You can easily close it and you can take it anywhere without a leakage tension. This mini, cute, so lovely. It's only 100 rupees. Purchase it now. And this couple, this lovely teddy couple is only and only 100 rupees. So sweet. So this was our today's session. Let me meet you tomorrow at our next session.